To buy the next stack on your vehicle, start by opening the vehicle app. Once the app is open, select the trade option, which will take you to a screen where you can enter the symbol or name of the stock you're interested in. Type Nasdaq into the search bar and select the corresponding stock from the results. After selecting the stock, you'll be taken to a new screen with a Next button, which you should click. Then, specify the amount you wish to buy, choosing either a fixed or dynamic amount, and consider scheduling automatic purchases. After entering these details, click OK. You'll be prompted to click Next again, and then you'll need to select a payment method and enter your payment details. Confirm your identity, and the purchase will be complete. Adding the Nasdaq to your vehicle account.